to welcome you and your delegation to New Delhi for the 8th India-Indonesia Joint Commission meeting. We had an opportunity to meet just last month on the sidelines of the BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting, and I really appreciate your taking time out to visit India again. Our Joint Commission is happening after 4 years. I think it's important to recognize that in those 4 years, actually we made good progress in our bilateral relations. We celebrated the 75 years of establishment of our bilateral ties in 2025. We had the honor to welcome President Prabowo on his state visit and as chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day last year. When I had called on His Excellency during that visit, I very much value the guidance provided by him on further developing our multifaceted bilateral ties. There were very fruitful discussions between Prime Minister Modi and President Prabowo during the visit, and that has certainly imparted fresh momentum to our comprehensive strategic partnership. Today, I look forward to extensive discussions with you, covering the full spectrum of our bilateral cooperation from political to defense and security, maritime, trade and investments, health and pharmaceuticals, food security, as well as tourism, education and cultural cooperation. I have with me senior colleagues from various departments who have each one of them monitored their particular vertical. So I look forward to proceeding on the agreed agenda, and I would request you for your opening remarks.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, namaskar. Thank you, Excellency, for receiving us and for the warm hospitality. I understand it's a Sunday, beautiful Sunday actually, and this shows how we put great importance to our bilateral relations, especially facing the upcoming visit of Prime Minister Modi to Jakarta, and for that I hope this meeting will be a fruitful one that will deliver a lot of outcomes and also preparation in order to receive His Excellency Prime Minister Modi in Jakarta. And I thank you for the warm hospitality extended to me and my delegation for this Joint Commission meeting. And yes, indeed, a couple of weeks ago, I was here, New Delhi, as I told you. I will always try to find excuse to visit again. So, despite of the timing, I hope that this visit will put the closeness and the deeper relations between both of our countries. And I think it is also a timely and important meeting to allow us to review on the progress of our cooperation since the last JCM we held in 2022 to address outstanding subjects that both to our common interests and follow up the result of the leaders' meeting during President Prabowo visit to India, and of course to chart the way forward to translate this partnership into more concrete outcomes. And of course, after my last visit, I've already conveyed the messages either from you or from Prime Minister Modi to my president, and I hope in this meeting we can also discuss the subjects that we talked about. Thank you very much.